What's up YouTube, this is Matthew here and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you all the differences between PropStream and DealMachine. What are they and which one should you use in your wholesaling real estate business? So before we go on, just smash that like button like Graham Stevens says. It just helps support this channel, makes it become more discoverable for other people to learn about wholesaling real estate. And then comment down below on which system you like to use. Or which one do you use after learning about these differences? Is it PropStream or DealMachine? And then, of course, if you're interested in PropStream or DealMachine, there are links down below in the description. And of course, with those links, I get a cut if you guys decide to subscribe to them. Help support your boy, Biz Matthew, if you guys want to do that, okay? But anyways, let's go on with the video. And one more thing, Project X coming soon, you all. So PropStream versus DealMachine, what are they and which is better? So let's start with PropStream. So PropStream is just your basic data list service that's very similar to ListSource. So I made a video talking about PropStream versus ListSource. I'll link it down below or put it on the video somewhere. So PropStream is a website where you can pull lists of different property information. So for example, if you're going after tax defaults or vacant properties or absentee lists, you get that on PropStream. PropStream also has a map, especially in their desktop and mobile version, where you can see the property, you can look at analysis of the property, comparables, recently sold properties in that area, similar square footage. So it's very similar to the MLS, but it's for everyone to use if you decide to subscribe to their website. And so, yeah, they provide a lot of leads, even for industries outside of real estate as well. So what is DealMachine? So DealMachine main objective is driving for dollars. So basically you use their mobile app while you're driving, and you can easily just tap on properties on your mobile phone, and it will add it to a list that you can later export to cold call, send direct mail, do RVMs or text. But recently, DealMachine has come out with new features to compete with other well-known real estate data websites like PropStream, ListSource, GoKnock, these different websites that provide data information. So they're going beyond just striving for dollars. So the pricing. So how does the pricing work? PropStream is $97 to $99 a month. Of course, if you use my code, get that 97. You save yourself $2 a month. $2 a month, that's $24 a year. What can you do with $24 for the year, huh? All right. And then DealMachine is $49 and $99 for monthly plans, and then they have a yearly enterprise plan for almost $3,000 for the year. That's if you want to build a team and have tons of drivers and pull so much more leads than an average person wanting to do. So that's the pricing. So PropStream, these are some of the features. So these are some of the lists that you can pull. Foreclosure details, MLS is very similar to the MLS, like I was saying. Comparables are like one of its biggest feature to me, because it can be hard to look up ARV or market value, but PropStream makes it so easy for you to do that. And then mortgage information, of course, the owner's information. And you can also download PDFs on a specific property. So let's say the property had a divorce, you can download divorce papers or different documents related to a particular situation for that property or property owner. Also, PropStream, they offer these features that I don't think a lot of people know about, but they offer skip tracing, which I recently used, and it's actually pretty good. And they offer mailers, and you can send out mailers, and you can create websites and online advertisements with them. DealMachine, of course, they have their mobile app. Is so clean, so easy to use, which I really like about DealMachine. So easy for it to just follow you. Because this is their bread and butter. That's what they started with. So they really perfected their mobile app, where driving for dollars it's pretty easy on the app. And now they have a CRM system, so to compete with, I guess, other websites like your Podia or different things like that. I was just looking at it, and we're going to look later in this video about that feature, how you can easily tag leads with a follow-up, or just put them to the trash and different things like that. They're coming out with a list data feature coming soon. So they have a beta version where you can pay a little bit extra for it, and so that will compete with your list source property stream websites. You can also send out mailers, and you can skip trace with DealMachine. And so those are the main features between, I guess, DealMachine and PropStream. And I always get a lot of DMs or comments on my videos about what versus PropStream and DealMachine. Before, PropStream and DealMachine they were pretty much different. DealMachine was just mostly driving for dollars. You couldn't really compete with PropStream, because there's just different websites. There's just different softwares. Like DealMachine was driving for dollars, and PropStream was for data, your list. But now, because DealMachine is coming out with these new features, then it's more of a comparison that can be made between the two softwares, if that makes sense. So, my slideshow is done. So let's go into the programs. Let's start with DealMachine. So this is my dashboard for DealMachine. I have the activity. They have different blogs and different things that happen. But let's go to their CRM. So their CRM is all of this basically. Of course, you have your map feature. When you're driving for dollars, you can look for these properties. And then you have this section called leads, and this holds all your leads. So, for example, if I click on this lead right here, I can view the lead. Then I can edit the lead status. So that's part of the CRM feature that's included in DealMachine. So they have these different options, like if you went to an appointment, if you sent an offer, follow-up, offer accepted, won deal, lost deal, not interested, all these different statuses that you can apply to an individual lead. And then with that, of course, you can filter that out. Like, okay, I only want to see leads that I went to an appointment with, or I only want to see leads that I need to follow up with for today. And you can filter it like that, so it makes it very easy for you to use their lead system. And then here is their list option. So this is their new beta feature. It's going to be released soon in the future, like the full version. And so this is where you can build a list. So of course they will have a monthly fee, and we're going to get more into how much they cost once I click this. So build a list. Let's get started. And so this is their different tiers that they offer. They offer $29 a month, one list type per month, and then full access, user access. And then you have $49 a month. You can get two list types. And then you have their yearly of $14.90 for the year. So you can get unlimited lists and different things like that. And I think when they say one list type or two list type per month, I think that's meaning you can only get like a vacant list for this month. You can't get vacant and tax defaults for this month. You can only stick to one list for that month. That's what I'm guessing. If I'm not, DealMachine, please correct me. And they actually have a blog about their list engine that they're making soon. And yeah, you can draw a shape around an entire neighborhood to send mail to directly to owners. And you can do that feature also on PropStream, which is pretty cool, which I actually did recently, and I'm locking up deals by doing that. Instead of just putting like a zip code or a city name, I just kind of draw a map where I want to target. So that's pretty cool. So these are the different lists that DealMachine will provide. Of course, your vacant properties, owners of multiple properties, tax default, pre-foreclosures, bank owed, and then cash transactions, so you can find some cash buyers, absentee owners. They have these different features. Is there a limit to how many leads I can pull? You can pull unlimited leads to your CRM. there's an export list of 5,000 per day for the leads that you can generate from List Engine. So that's pretty cool. Like you have it's 5,000 per day. I know with my monthly plan with PropStream, I can only pull 10,000 a month. So if this is real, like that's a really good feature because let's say I want to pull 20,000 for the month, I can do this and still fit that within my budget. And so you can sign up with this engine if you're already existing DealMachine member. You can look for an update like I just showed you all on my interface. But if you're not, you can just create a regular DealMachine. You can sign up with DealMachine. Go to DealMachine.com, then click list to start a 7-day trial. And then yeah, you can upload a list already that you already have into List Engine. So that's pretty cool. And then this is a quick article about their CRM system that they're doing. And in the CRM, you can access that on their mobile app. You can do different statuses, send postcards, skip trays, have team members, and different things like that. So it's your classic CRM that you all know. And then this is PropStream, of course. Let's just go to the search. Of course, they have the map that you can search out specific properties and different things like that. And then if you go over to skip tracing, you can have a skip tracing service to skip trace your list. This is how much they charge for phones or emails, or phones and emails that you want. So that's pretty cool. Also, and then campaigns. This is where you go to start your first campaign to create websites, postcards, and different things like that. And of course, with PropStream, it's just it's just a great feature because I just love I have to do it like that. Ooh. I just love the feature of like just looking up properties in a way where I can easily pull up data on the property. So for example, if I click on this here, it's just the amount of information PropStream provides is just so valuable for my business. Like the comparables, the tax information, different things like that. And they actually, have information about the mortgage, so you don't have to necessarily deal with that information. So you can see, like for example, I guess that there's no mortgage on the property and different things like that. They have the owner's information, MLS details when it was listed right now, and there's listed how much is it listed for? Well, it has the description information, different things like that. Active listing 350,000. Boom. So yeah, I hope you all enjoyed this video, this analysis of PropStream and DealMachine and the differences between both of them. I use both of them because sometimes I do drive for dollars, and I just use DealMachine for that. Yes, PropStream now have a mobile version, but their driving option to me is not quite there. But soon, I know over time they'll get there and they'll compete with DealMachine. And with PropStream, I use it for its data to pull lists because they have so much information, good quality data. But now DealMachine is coming out with a list option feature, but they're quite not there because that's PropStream's bread and butter. So it seems like both of them are still slightly different, but both of them are coming at the same level where they compete with one another. So right now you can use both if you can afford it. If I had one option, it's just so hard to say. I think if you're driving for dollars, if that's your main source of marketing, just use driving on DealMachine. If you want to pull lists and not drive for dollars, just use PropStream. And yeah, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, subscribe, comment down below, do all that jazz, and I'll talk to you all